Got a special video for everyone watching today. We're moving the C30 fire truck to a spot. You can see the Maverick over there. Out a little way for now because I got some other vehicles I need to attend to. We will be doing videos over there. What's that? Then we'll bring it back over here, you know, when we get to like pulling the motor and stuff. But for now, we're moving it out of the way because this is a big C30 long wheelbase. And if you've been around one of these trucks, they take up a lot of space. And this is a single driveway, what's set right now. Goes up to my building. And there's 3 vehicles here. And my rollback's in front of this. So I'm going to load it back up, put it into a more permanent out of the way spot. That way we can get traffic moving back and forth. Sounds like a plan. We got a plan. Oh, these are Dodge seats, by the way, with cup holders. I do like these seats. I got a video on it. I flipped the cup holders and everything. Got this fold down for a bud seat. I do like this. I'm thinking about going with the OEM seat that's in the fire truck again. You can see this used to be an automatic column. It's I need to actually cut that off and you know, do the magic on it with the fiberglass and stuff and paint it, because this is now a standard shift truck. I've been hunting for them fuses. Why be? There they are. So this truck's got an LS in it. In case you didn't know, I don't think we're gonna need heat right now. It's got a stage 2 cam, floppy stage 2. Now goes the oil pressure up. We'll give it a minute to warm up, and then we engage our PTO. It's been a minute. We rebuilt the PTO in this truck a few years back, and you can't even hear it run. You can watch it run though. You can't hear it run. hook further back because I bottomed out, because this is a big truck for a center cap. You know what? I'm just gonna send it. It done been a little anyway. I need to remove this. It's been in my way a couple of times. There we go. Hey, we on? Just enough. Okay, it's in gear. It fit. See? Well, I think that's good where it's going. There's no way I would haul it without it being all the way against that headache whack more. That would give us pointy on the back of the bed. I am going to latch it down so it don't bounce around on us. Good enough. How's my bumper holding up? I wanted to use this bumper as polish out. Big truck. Check the mirrors. Looks good, man. Can't see hardly anything. I need a backup camera when I need. That's it. And it pays to have a spotter when you do this. I got help. Appreciate the help. Huh? Need a walkie-talkie system in here. Have that too. Oh, that's can't be bored dog. Where's it at? That was the gear. Oh, it is. Can't see, and she's a bad navigator. At least she tries. See in the mirror. I don't want to go over the embankment. Let's see what we got, shall we? See, where I'm trying to get it is back here in my back lot. We got the claw, we got this, we got Ford, a Eclipse, a tractor, a Chevelle, and a Mustang hidden over here. So, I'm trying to get it right here. And it looks like to me, so I think we can just come straight back a little bit, drop the bed, push off. Oh, door came open. That's a good view, ain't it? Is it? I think it's a good view. Well, it's unloaded. Hopefully you enjoyed. Gotta fold the handles in for my fire extinguisher. I'm gonna relocate that. I'm gonna put that probably behind the seat or somewhere, because honestly, these big trucks, I need all the headache room I can get. I haul more stuff like a F-150 equips and little trucks and stuff. So what do you think? Look at my hands. Working, man. Can't wait to get these rims on the El Camino. Brand new tires. Well, that's got it. Hope you enjoyed. We got the C30 parts truck for this one. Moved over there. Shame the front end parts don't interchange. I like his square headlight, but the round headlight has been growing on me the older I get. Well, I don't know what to do now. I'm tired. I need to stretch out my cable and wind it back up, because I used about 40 foot of it the other day, and it didn't spline back up good. So I'll make a video on that. That'd be a good video. Some people with a rollback might want to know how to spool the winch up. Makes sense. They parts from this truck on the eBay store down below. 6.0 diesel. That truck run out of gas the other day, let me tell you. It didn't run out of gas, it's just he got gas and it had water in it, and he run this tank lower than he usually does. Picked up nothing but water in the fuel system. It's fixed now, but it was just white smoking. It didn't make it far. It was like just pure water in the diesel. But thanks for watching. As I said before, this 79, 80s Chevrolet parts, all different kinds of parts on my eBay store, description below. And get subscribed and hit that notification.